how do you delete photos from the trash on the iPad? So let me explain that and show you how it works. If you're new here and first time on this channel, definitely subscribe for more explanations and guides like this one. So most likely the trash for photos is part of the Photos app of your gallery, and when you switch from the regular library view to the collections where you can browse all of the different things like albums and stuff, at the bottom you should see also the recently deleted folder, which is indicated by the trash, right? So we know that that is the place we want to go to. And you get inside, you might need to authenticate yourself by scanning your face and whatnot. But once you get in here, you can see all of the photos which are part of the trash. So just tap on select and you can click on a delete all, and they are going to be deleted from the trash. So that is the most common way where trashed photos are stored, but not the only one, as that's kind of important because you might also be storing your photos inside of the Files app, for example. And in there, it works very similarly because if you delete something from the Files storage, it's still going to be part of the recently deleted folder. And in there, it works exactly the same way where, you can recover it or delete it permanently from the trash folder. So that's another place which you can take a look at. And one more thing, inside of the settings, general and storage, when you see the little breakdown right there, you might also see some suggestions about how you can save the storage. So for instance, it's going to tell me to review some large videos and also some duplicate photos, which are not technically trash, but if I have duplicates, then it's probably taking up the storage, which I don't really need, right? So yeah, that is another place to kind of go through your photos and then delete the trash that you don't need. So I hope it makes sense. Let me know what you think below in the comments, but that's it, and I hope to see you later in the next videos too.